So today I wanted to do a first impressions and unboxing of my new beauty fridge. I ordered this on Tuesday and today it's Saturday, so it's pretty quick shipping coming from Melbourne to Sydney. So we'll get straight into it and open it up. I'm so excited. Okay. Ooh, it says the perfect shelfie does not exist. So let's open it. Oh, a bit hard to get out. Okay, we got it open. Alright, so let's have a look. I'm so excited. Okay, so I got the limited edition. Oh, you can't really tell that it's blue on camera, but it's the limited edition sky blue color. Not sure if you can tell. It kind of looks white on camera, but we'll open her up. Ooh, so this is what she looks like. I expected it to be a little bit more blue, but I actually quite like this one. It's really subtle. I feel like it will age well with me, if you know what I mean. I like the pink one and I do like the aqua one they have as well. But I just feel like this one's just a little bit more classic. And I actually got one of the last ones because I tried to go on later that afternoon to have a look at the fridge again, and it was actually sold out. So unfortunately you can't get this color anymore. But yeah, it's beautiful. All right, let's open it up. Okay, how does this work? So there's a little latch here, and I'm assuming you just push down and it opens up. Ooh. Oh my god, whoops. Don't want to drop it. So comes with instruction manual and of course charging cable and a car charger. So you can actually take this on road trips with you as well. You can put like cold drinks in there, leave it in your car. Super good option. All right, it smells very plasticky, but I'm assuming if we air it out and it should be okay. Oh, there's a little mark on it here. But yeah, this is my new beauty fridge. Alright, so I just wanted to quickly talk to you about basically my decision-making process on why I chose this beauty fridge, and really what's available to us Australians out there, because I know this trend has been really popular in America and lots of YouTubers have been getting beauty fridges, and just in the beauty community, skincare fridges have been really popular recently. And obviously looking into American beauty fridges, like the really popular one I'm sure you've probably heard of is Kaluli. That one's available on Amazon. It's available on Urban Outfitters as well. I was looking into buying it from there just because they do ship to Australia. But with the conversion rate from USD to AUD and then also the shipping from America to Australia, it just didn't really seem like I was saving that much money, and it was I just wanted to support local businesses as well. One thing that I thought of that you might not think of is that if we order an American beauty fridge, it will come with an American wall plug. So like, it's not a big deal. You can always get like a adapter, so it does fit into Australian plugs, but I just thought like I couldn't really be bothered and I just wanted to support local businesses. So I looked into Australian companies. So there were two that I found that did skincare fridges or beauty fridges, and it is a little bit confusing because their names are pretty much the same. So this one is The Beauty Fridge. You can see the logo there. It's The Beauty Fridge. And then the other one is just called Beauty Fridge. I will leave a photo of it here. I'm sure you've all seen it. It's actually available at Maya and Priceline as well. So like there's a lot of people who have gotten it. It's that little retro one with like the little metal handle. I just didn't really like how that looked. So I was looking into it, but my heart was just like, I don't like how it looks, so I don't feel like I want to spend money on it. But the only thing that really drew me into researching that company was the price point. So that one was $130, or it retails for $130. There is a Easter sale at the moment. I saw on my Instagram feed. It's 20% off site-wide, so I will leave the link to it below if you are interested. But why I wasn't interested in that fridge, number one, I didn't like how it looked. Number two is I actually looked into the dimensions and how big the fridge was, and that's only 4 liters. So to me, I was just like, oh, it could definitely fit my everyday skincare and maybe a few sheet masks as well. But I just didn't feel like I would be bothered Tetrising and maneuvering all my skincare to fit into the fridge so I can close the door every single day. Like in the morning, I don't know about you, but I'm really rushed. I'm not a morning person. I wake up late, I like slap on my skincare and I leave. Like I have no time to like, you know, fiddle and like get things inside and slowly close the door. Like I wanted to really like look after my beauty fridges because it's really expensive and it's an investment. So I just thought like, it wouldn't really fit in my lifestyle. I know it's not that small. I haven't seen it in person, but I've watched a lot of YouTube reviews, and that company does have a lot of YouTube reviews. So if you are interested, I don't have to leave anyone in the bottom. You can just have a look. Beauty Fridge Australia, there's a lot of reviews out there, but it just doesn't look like it can fit a lot of my skincare. And I have a lot of like Korean skincare, so my toner bottles and stuff are like really big and tall. So I just feel like I didn't want to deal with Tetrising everything. And I saw a lot of pack my skincare fridge videos and what's in my skincare fridge videos, and people were just sort of like putting stuff in, really difficultly putting stuff in their fridge. I'm just not about that. I'm a really simple person. I'm a really lazy person. So I wanted a bigger fridge. So let's talk about why I chose this fridge. This fridge is 10 liters. Look how big it is next to my face. It is so big. And it's 2 times the other beauty fridge, the retro one, or more than 2 times the retro one. And I just feel like this would be a lot more like, even though I don't use that much skincare now, I am not like a 12-step skincare person. But I feel like maybe one day I might be, and I could fit all 12 steps in here. I could also fit my mum's 12 steps in here, and I can fit all my masks, things that I don't use on a daily but I use on a weekly. I can fit lots of things in here, and I feel like it's just easy to get things in and out of. The thingy, or these, what are these called? These things? Shelves. That's it, shelves. These shelves are removable as well, so I know I'm definitely going to have to remove at least the bottom one just so I can fit my toners in there. But yeah, I just felt like this one is just so much bigger, and the thing that drew me to this the most was it's just pretty. Like, look how beautiful it is. It's so sleek. It's so pretty. I don't know if you can tell, but my favorite color is blue, and they do have one in their main line called Aqua. They do have a color called Aqua, but that one I just felt like it was really bold, and it was just too much. Like, I felt like even though my favorite color is blue now, I'm super young, and I feel like as time goes on, I'm gonna want to look at something a bit more simpler and a bit more classic. So I was really thinking about getting the white one, but I just felt like that was a bit boring. So when they came out with the limited edition sky blue color, I just felt it was perfect. So the main thing that drew me to this was just aesthetics, and the price point was what stopped me from buying it. So this retails for $220, which is a lot of money for something that's not a necessity. Like, this is definitely not a necessity. If you don't have like money for it right now, do not buy this. Like, I know everyone has it and it's like, oh, it'd be so nice to have cold skincare in the morning, especially because like I have an issue where I drink a lot of water at night. Like I don't know why, I always forget to drink water throughout the day. So like I down water at night, which means in the morning my skin and my face is just so puffy and it's not cute. Like it's, yeah, I just felt like this would really, really help not only like my confidence in the morning, but it would just wake me up as well. Because as I said, I am not a morning person. I'm super groggy. Like I go into work and I'm like, don't talk to me till I've had my coffee. Like I'm that type of person. So I just felt like this was perfect for me and I've really wanted it for a while. So that's why I chose to get this one. I did have, I used a 10% off coupon code, which I will leave down in the description below. It's not my code. This is not sponsored. I have no subscribers. Like this is my first YouTube video and I'm only doing it because I couldn't find any unsponsored reviews on this one. And this isn't a review because obviously I've never used it. I just opened it. But if you do want to see a review, maybe in like a few weeks time after I've used it and had a look at, like, could feel the skincare and if I could see any differences in my skin, then I can do a video like that. But maybe I'll do a video tonight doing like my skincare if this is cold enough, but we will see. I'll plug it in after this video and we'll see if it's cold enough tonight for me to feel a difference. If not, I'll make a review like a few weeks later. But yeah, that's like basically the gist of it, why I got this skincare fridge. Do I think it's worth it? My heart's a bit like, did I just spend $200 on a skincare fridge? Especially during this time of coronavirus. Like I'm a full-time student. I work as a casual. My shifts have been cut. I don't think this is the time to be splurging, but I'm so glad I got this color and I'm so glad. I feel so lucky to be able to get one of the last ones. And yeah, I'm really excited. So we'll see how this goes and I'll probably make a video in a few weeks just like updating how it is and if I see a difference and if it's worth it or if I just wasted $200. We will see. So yeah, thanks for watching my video. I know it's all over the place. It's my first video, so I don't know if YouTube is for me, but I just wanted to do this video because I was pondering about this skincare fridge and the other skincare fridge. I keep saying but like this is the beauty fridge. The other one's just beauty fridge, but grammatically I have to say the other beauty fridge. Oh wait, that worked. The beauty, no it didn't. Okay, anyways, I will, yeah, okay, I don't know what I'm doing anymore. I can't speak. Bye. I just plugged her in and she sits perfectly on my vanity. So I just wanted to check in because I wanted to show you what it sounded like. So if there was like a noise or anything, just because that was my main concerns. If you are keeping it in your room, you don't want it to like keep you up from sleeping and stuff. So I will show you what it sounds like. Bear in mind, it will be a little bit louder just because it's right next to the fan. But yeah, as you can see, it's only like a soft hum, like a sort of sound, so it's not too bad. So yeah, I'll wait for it to get cold and then I'll do another video of me packing the skincare fridge and doing my skincare routine. Thank you, bye.